Yo, 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 yo. Welcome back to brand new freaking video. Today we're playing adventure. We're doing a adventure. Ratchet Clank. We're gonna leave off right where we met the Phantom. Now we're going to the rooftop meeting them. Hope you guys enjoy. Let's hop right into it.
I'm coming, Clank. Just hang on.
Oh, I gotta hold it.
I do not believe I have ranked.
Alright. Okay, I just need to break the boxes here. Let me get my coins.
Halt for the agitator!
Alright. Collected.
Drop the pistol, squishy!
Bye.
Hold on, honey. Are you headed to the roof? You should use that raritanium in your pockets to upgrade your arsenal first. Oh, thanks for choosing Miss Zircons. Oh, you are getting it. See? Why settle for a good weapon when you can make it magnificent? Always worth the cost to keep your weapons in tip-top shape.
Hmm. Let's upgrade, baby.
Now that is gonna pack a punch.
All just one. Fuck yeah. Alright, our burst pistol is gonna be lit.
Glad to
Thanks again for the help, Secret Agent Zircon.
Good luck up there. And Miss Zircon was never here.
Did you try the drinks?
Stop.
So you made it after all. Impressive.
Of course
Wait,
I made it.
you can see me? Where are you? You got my starship ready?
You'll get it, don't you worry. I just need you to help me with one last threat. The nefarious day spa. If you can distract these troopers, I'll hack Nefarious' propaganda blimp and give this city a message it'll never forget.
Let's go. Let's get this message out, baby.
Looks easy enough.
Alright.
I do so enjoy.
Citizens of Nefarious City, this is the voice served. And the truth is, we need to talk. The resistance
They're all over. I got hit.
Local music scene. Now our spawns. Physical violence is against spa rules.
Unless we're talking to you. Back off already.
I'm almost dead.
Death in the morning.
I'm almost dead. Oh. Let's go up there now. Damn, this. Damn, what's going on, man?
This is not forward.
Get them all, baby. Get them all. Let's see. Ryan. Oh, level up.
Please play fair.
You know what? Forget the code. Actions speak louder than words.
Finally. Nefarious Tower, here I come.
Let's go, Phantom. What you got for me, baby?
Wow, where'd you learn how to draw?
Man, they just took it out.
Looks like I touched a nerve. All right, deal's a deal. That's Glitch. She'll help you get onto the Emperor's private shuttle to the tower. Access console's in that huge
Damn,
statue of
I got a
Nefarious
wrist.
in the center of the city. Just hook her up, and she'll handle the rest.
What are you doing?
Tearing this whole rotten world down from the inside.
Damn, you jumped off?
Stay strong, brother!
Damn.
How do you expect me to get to the bazaar from here? That'll work. All right. All I gotta do now, whoa, this is fast, is head to the statue, use Glitch, get a starship, and then find Clank on Sargasso. I'm on my way, buddy.
stop, won't
Just
stop.
hang in there for a little bit longer.
Go, 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 go. Let's get up there. You see that? Found another. Oh. Wait, am I able to go get the ones on the up there? What does she have? Do we have any
Need a
upgrades
beam
and
that
shit?
will not quit? Check out the Negatron Collider to tear through whatever you put. You
Can I
know
upgrade?
good merchandise when you see it. You all come back real soon.
Alright, so now, hey, wait, we got something in the collectibles, don't we, huh?
Nefarious City. It has been 10 years since Carson.
Alright. Wait, map.
Emperor rules all from his glorious tower. And remember, he is watching.
Alright, let's go back to the ship.
Now,
I guess.
where's that statue again?
Fucked up.
Aha! That has to be the access console.
Line is against the
A
wall.
juggernaut.
Where did you even come from?
Let this insolence rebel.
Oh, what a
What
rip.
the yikes?
Where am I going?
Oh, wow. Oh, no.
I am glad to see you have survived the journey. Now die.
I ain't gonna die. You're gonna die.
Resistance is not permitted.
Not again.
No.
At least it was a round trip. Come on.
I am trying to destroy you as fast as I can. I am here to spread the Emperor's love.
Let's go, baby.
There. Now I can finally plug Glitch into this access console.
I need ammo for my pistol. Alright. Let's get in there. Hope you guys are liking this series.
Yeah,
I've been
hi.
fucking, it
You
brings
must
me
be
back to my
Glitch.
childhood
I'm
fucking
Ratchet.
memories. And,
Sorry for all the jostling around earlier. Things aren't exactly going well, and actually, I think you're the only one who can help me right now.
he doesn't know what to think.
Thanks.
Oh, am I gonna be that little robot? Let's go!
Seems like a nice guy. I probably just have to delete some files, and then
I was
he'll
pressing
be
E, wondering
all
why.
set.
Damn, this is pretty cool.
Oh, there are viruses here. We don't have the training for this. Electro guns, please don't kill me now. The infection is starting to clear. Good. I guess I can try to take out the rest now. Huh? What's with the capsule? Did a virus make that?
Damn. I does virus stuff, bro. It's crazy. Oh, we can only go up on the other stuff.
That takes care of the nest.
Scared the piss out of me.
Oh, man, I really... Well, anyway, looks like the computer is back
Madrilla.
online.
Good stuff, Madrilla. What I understand, you know how it is in the hood.
You did it, Glitch!
Shit, glitch.
Welcome back, your most majestic majesty.
Here we go.
And we're the Majesty too? Sheesh. Fuck yeah.
Death traps,
Huh?
warbots, 5 planet-destroying cannons, and a surveillance state covering the entire city. If only that
Scared of this
blasted
other one.
dimensionator still worked.
Clank.
Huh?
Shh.
After him! No!
Run, 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 run. Get the ship, get the ship. Come on.
I'm coming, Clank.
To the Lombax. There you go, whatever it's called.
Oh, no!
Welcome, O master of us all. Password, please.
Uh-oh.
Why do I need a password? I'm the Emperor. How about I obliterate you instead? Ha 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 ha!
Bring me
Fuck that shit, Rick.
Lombax!
Lombax. We know where the Lombax is. We can go that flank real quick. Let's get him. Give my clanky poo back.
So then this Dimensionator
Rivet.
was stolen by Dr. Nefarious, who used it to bring you here? Now you just have to find your friend, who is also miraculously a Lombax, to
Bro.
save the day.
And get home.
He's capping.
You must seriously think I'm an idiot. Look, as real as I'm sure this Dr. Nefarious is, this has the Emperor written all over it.
Help! We under attack! Anyone?
Mort? What's going on?
Oh, Mort's getting shit on.
Oh dear.
Brace for impact!
Oh. Look out.
What do you think I'm doing? Ah!
We almost ran into that dinosaur. Bam. Oh, we're Rivet now? Let's
Where
go.
are you taking me?
I
Okay, so we got
was
all
gonna take you to
the
my hideout.
regular-
But first, I gotta rescue my friends at their gelatonium factory.
Never stops! The fun never stops!
Where's all the ammo? To be honest, ladies and gentlemen, you know what it is. We are Rivet, and yeah. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this episode. We finally got Rivet with Clank. We're gonna be rescuing him with Ratchet. Hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. You know how it is. Peace out. Much love.